Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome to my scary show. I hope you enjoy this story and I hope you follow my channel. Well, the last week we received a call to the doctor of the woman who died the last week. Her name was Roberta. The doctor called us and she told us that she listened a strange sound when she started to prepare her things for go to work. So, what happened with this sound? Because this sound provides to the room of her mother, Roberta. So, let's to investigate her house, and I hope you can help me to investigate what happened to this strange sound. Let's go. Now we are in the house of the daughter of Roberta. Her name is Alejandra. And the room is right here. This is the room of Alejandra. And the room of her mother is right here. Come with me and we are going to watch what happened with this sound. Her daughter told us that the strange sound provides to one of the beds, but the problem is we have two beds. Okay, help me, Jesus. We have a bag here. Now, when she called us, she told us that the sounds like something that have life. Maybe could be a rat. Okay. Here we don't have anything. I think this is of her mother. Maybe in the closet. Let's see. No, it's closed. What was the sound? Ah, it's the floor. No, we don't have anything here. What is that? Hello. Well, finally, investigating more deeply in the this topic and this adventure, we can find that the sounds provide from a nest next in the window and next to the bed. Well, this little pigeon gives us a very, very scary moment. So, we don't have to worry about anything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!